Hi everyone, it's Denise with Wondubar Crafts. Just a little shop news. The shop is stocked. Finally. Thank you guys so much for all of your patience. I know you guys, a lot of you have been waiting for me to load it. It is loaded in the shop now. With the exception of some guest checks. I only have a few listed in there, but I'm doing them today, so they'll get listed. The amount will increase over the weekend as I get them done. And then I'm going to start working on some Valentine's packs for you guys. So anyway, if there is anything in the shop that perhaps the quantity isn't enough that you need right now, most of it's all stocked up, like I said, with the exception of guest checks, just send me a message on Etsy and let me know how many you want, and I can make sure I set those aside for you before I list the rest of them in the shop, so not a problem. Anyways, guys, thank you so much for your patience. I appreciate each and every one of you, and I will be back soon to start the winter journal. So until then, guys, plenty of hugs, loves, and blessings. Mwah. Bye.